Yeah, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Yes, of course, I am here again. Smart listeners, wherever you are, with me, Erdesam, English with Smart of Your Life, English Community. Yeah, English discussion with English Community of Smart FM, Makassar. And with me, Erdesam, I'm not alone here as I usually every Tuesday. Yeah, at 17 until 18 p.m. Of course, we are here. And here we are, our friends from Views community, especially from Makassar, yeah, English communities. And I would like to, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, I would like to introduce themselves one by one, to invite, of course, their self to introduce themselves to smart listeners and viewers, guys, wherever you are. Yes, and yeah, please use this. Okay, come on. Hi guys, good evening. Please use good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, how is it going? How are you?
So far so good.
I'm so great, fine.
Yes, I'm fine.
Yeah, while we're waiting our friend to join with us here, yeah, we have a still have friend, one friend from BPEC. Yeah, of course we will running our program for this evening. How do you feel today?
Kinda nervous.
Kinda nervous,
A
amazing.
little bit nervous, of course.
First time to be here.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
wow! Give a applause for us. Okay, yes, guys. Please introduce yourself one by one. I start from you. Yeah. What is your name? What is your English community? How looks like, and what about the agenda? Come on.
Okay, thank you. First, my name is Zea, and I'm from Polytechnic Tourism Makassar. And my community is PMEC. It means Polytechnic Makassar English Community. And,
Yeah.
I just a new member.
Okay.
So I don't really know about activities that the other members usually do.
Oh, you are a new member.
Yeah, right.
But you got privilege.
Yeah.
Because you new member
here.
and you can come here, you can present here a representative of PMEC, right? PMEC,
I'm
right?
so grateful for that.
Yeah, that's why. Oh my god.
But I just know the latest agenda about our communities. I just being a lecture assistant for
Oh,
in
Wow.
English matriculation for diplomatry student.
okay,
Yeah, and
cool.
that was really fun because I can learn.
Are you still university student?
Yeah.
What
Just
semester?
First semester.
First semester.
Yeah.
But you assistant?
Already assistant.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was real fun, and that unlocked my new experience, of course, and that I can learn about how of being a good mentor for all my class.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
Okay. So how do we call you?
it's Zea.
Zia. It sounds like Zia Mais. You know what I mean? Zia Mais.
I don't know
It's
about
corn.
No, paddy. Corn.
what's that.
Corn. Yeah.
I kind of forget my biology.
Yeah, corn. No,
Corn.
the Latin
Oh.
language of corn,
Oh, I
jagung,
get it now, I get
Zia
it.
mais.
Oh. I get
Okay,
it now, I get it
welcome.
now.
Yeah, welcome, Zia. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, it's
yeah.
nice to see you. Okay, next, what about you? What is your name? What is your English
Oh my
community? And what about the agenda? How it looks like? Come on.
Okay, hi everyone. Hi guys, nice to meet you all. Before I introduce myself, I want to say thank you for having me today. I'm so excited to be here, and of course, also happy to be part of this program. So let me introduce myself. I'm Tiara Afrilia, but my friends always call me Tiara or Titi. So
Okay.
guys, you can call me both of my names. And the most important, I'm a civil student at State Polytechnic of Ujung Pandang, and
Okay.
now I'm in the third semester.
Okay.
Yeah. The most importantly, I'm a part of English Camp and Community located in Asrama Haji Sudiang.
Near of
yeah. No, it's
Near.
so far.
So far it's
It's
Sudiang.
so far from Sudiang.
Oh, Sudiang.
Yeah. Maros maybe ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maros.
Yeah.
Maros.
Exactly at Sipakai Bajilei.
Oh yeah.
A place we can learning is just know about vocabulary or grammar, but is we make a connection, families and growth.
Okay, and every activity inside or in dormitory like that.
Yeah.
Boarding, something like that. Asrama,
Yes,
yeah.
Yeah. Like a camp. We have some programs. In the morning there is vocabulary pronunciation, and in the afternoon there is grammar, speaking, listening and writing, and the night in the evening we have sharing session.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the social media of ECC?
Okay, if you're curious about our community, you can search on your social media, exactly on your Instagram, guys, at ACC Makassar.
Okay, thank you. Welcome,
Yeah,
Tiara.
thank
But
you.
you are welcome, not welcome back, because this is your first time, right?
No.
Okay. Okay, nice to see you. Okay, next, what about you? Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English club or English community? How it looks like, and what about the agenda?
Okay, first of all, thank you for having me here. I'm so
Mhm.
grateful to be the part of this agenda.
Yeah.
And my name is Rahmadil Ma'ari, my full name, but you guys can call me Adi.
Yeah.
Hello. And I think I'm the oldest here because I actually graduated from Islamic State University of
No,
Makassar.
you are not the oldest. I'm the oldest.
Okay. I'm the oldest speaker.
Oh, yeah. Okay, come on, continue.
So our English community is called BEMC.
Yeah.
It stands for Bridge English Meeting Community, English Community,
Meeting club
as Meeting Club Community
in
in Makassar. Yes,
Indonesia.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I
It
kind of
sounds-
blank.
Okay, it sounds funny. Okay, continue.
So our community is
Mhm.
actually have an agenda every week,
Okay.
but it's because it is a new community in
Mhm.
Makassar and
Mhm.
Goa, so it's the place we held our agenda. It's Nomaden, so we
Mhm.
can have an agenda anywhere and depend on the situation. Is it
Mhm.
raining or
Uh,
is it summer? But I hope
Yeah.
it will be summer
yeah.
because
Okay.
in the raining you cannot do so much agenda because of the place cannot be reached.
Mm.
And our community is open for everyone. So if you are like, I don't know how to speak English yet, just come. We are open.
Mhm.
There will be divided by groups. So there will be in the group there will be a group leader who's gonna divide our topic discussion that we attended before.
And no criteria, right?
No criteria.
criteria,
Everyone
just
can come.
come.
Just come.
Okay.
Just be brave.
Okay. Welcome, Adi.
Welcome. Thank
Hope
you.
you enjoy here, yeah? Okay, give a applause for us, guys. Okay, yeah, as I mentioned, as I promised, that's my reasons wherever you are that, yeah, before we are going to talk about the topic for this evening, of course, they have been introduced themselves one, guys, yeah? And I would like to spill our topic for this evening, and our topic is... Nungguin ya. Wasting time and energy. Give it a plus. Yeah, well, yes, my listeners, guys. And are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Okay. Yes. Okay. Our topic is wasting time and energy. I would like to start from Adi. Adi. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
I think our topic for this evening is wasting time and energy.
Mhm.
The first like time that crossed my mind, I
Mhm.
think about, am I doing something that really wasting my time and energy?
Mhm.
So I start reach and thinking, because I've been read a book or maybe watching some TikTok.
Mhm.
If you wanna do something or wanna learn something, set up your goals first. Because if you
Okay.
do something like you wanna do but they have no goals,
Mhm.
you're gonna be get bored and you're really just gonna waste on your time and energy.
Okay, so before you, how to say, give your reaction, give your opinion, for the first step is your imagine that, am I?
Yes.
Am I? Yeah.
Yes.
Am I safe? Am I positive? Am I effective? Because our topic we always present the positive topic.
Yes.
But now our topic is not positive. This is a negative topic.
This is a
This is a
wasting
very
time.
contradiction. But you know, every topic has a challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's why every topic has like insight. That's why this topic is like, this is a simple but has a big impact for
yes.
our life,
Oh,
right?
yes.
Okay, so you like kind of reflection,
Yes, I kinda have
introspection. Mm-hmm.
About the topic, I start to think:
Mm-hmm.
am I everything that I've been done before? Is it
Mhm.
really gonna worth
Mhm.
it, or
Mhm.
is just gonna wasting my time and energy?
Okay, thank you. So like reflection, yeah, like
Yes.
introspection. Okay, what about you, Zia? What is your reaction when you got this opportunity to present here of representative of PMEC? Yeah, what is your reaction?
My reaction, of course, I'm so grateful
Mm-hmm.
for being selected of my community and going here for
Mhm.
these activities. And I don't know what to say.
Uh-huh. Like, you know, wow,
Yeah,
something like that,
I'm
right?
new.
I'm
here,
a you,
but
yeah,
why-
me, like that. And so, what is your reaction when you got this topic?
this-
Because you know this topic is not positive. This topic is negative.
yeah, this
Wasting
topic
time
is
and
very
energy.
relatable for our generation, or
Okay.
this generation.
Uh.
Like we always wasting time and energy for,
Mm.
for example, scrolling on social media for hours.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Or maybe
Like zombie scrolling.
Yeah,
Mm.
and maybe we sometimes overthinking without an action.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think this topic is very interesting for me because
Mm.
we can talk about it. We can
Okay.
sharing
Uh-huh.
our, you know,
So this topic is very
Yeah,
relatable,
for this
relatable for this generation,
Yeah.
Z generation.
Yes,
Z
Z
generation.
generation.
Gen Z.
Okay, keep it your statement. Yeah, please keep. Okay, I will be back to you. I
Alright.
move to Tiara.
All right.
With what Tiara? Tiara Andini?
No, just only Tiara.
Okay, Tiara. So, what is your perspective about our topic for this evening?
Truly, is a maze topic for
Mhm.
today.
Even this topic is simple, but you say amazed.
A
You
maze
know-
because it's realized same of Zia said
Okay,
before.
Okay.
Mm, have you done this when you tell yourself
Mhm.
I will do it in 5 minutes. I
Mhm.
will do it in 10 minutes.
Mhm.
But suddenly
Mhm.
it's already 1 hours.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah. But I think for me, wasting time and energy
Mhm.
is not about being lazy.
Mhm.
Is being lazy.
Mhm.
I think it's about your energy.
Mhm.
You can say you can't say you can always saying yes.
Mhm.
And that, yeah, it's for me.
Okay, just you keep your statement. Okay, because you're too excited to express your idea. Yeah, you are happy here, right?
yeah.
That's why you're a little bit like confused. Okay. Okay. Yeah, my next question is talking about wasting time and energy. You know, not sometime, but oftenly, a lot of people they like go to the cozy people and they're nongkrong, right? Do you believe that that people use their time useless or not or what? Okay, you get my point? Okay. Okay, please. What about the people who always nongkrong? Yeah.
I think that's a 50-50, right?
50-50.
Yeah, first.
Why?
First point is we can make what is it called?
You can get your own.
No.
You can combine your language when you suck to put English. Yeah. when you say something?
Okay. In
Just
my,
mix. Uh-huh.
in my mind.
Mhm.
For the first point,
Mhm.
it sometimes it wasting time, but
Okay.
because we can do something that.
Consistent your mic, please.
sorry.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry,
Don't
I'm
do
sorry.
this. Okay, continue.
We can make relation.
Mm-hmm. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, relation is
Uh-huh.
important thing for this
Uh-huh.
life. But sometimes we can learn new. I don't know what to call it. Maybe learning new things.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But in sometimes we can learn new thing. But for the 50
So
that I said,
it's depend on the aim or goals.
we can do.
Your activity. Why you go to the nongkrong place, something like that. It's depend on your
Yeah.
how to say plane.
Yeah.
right?
About the plan.
Okay.
And I think sometimes we have do go out and
Mhm,
have a
mhm.
fresh air.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes we meet people.
Yeah.
I mean, in the nongkrong place for meeting
Yeah.
to
that-
discuss
that's what
like
I mean.
to discuss
Yeah.
benefit activity.
Mm,
right?
Yeah.
Like you have a plan before you going to there, right? Okay.
If we just go and talking about
Mhm.
other people, our
Mhm.
friend maybe, or
Mhm.
make some TikTok videos. I
Mhm.
mean, that's wasting time.
Just go there to make gossip.
Yeah, just
It's a useless
gossip
wasting
and
time and energy, right?
doing some trend, maybe.
Uh-huh.
That's all. I think it's very wasting of time.
Okay, thank you, Zia. Your perspective. What about you, Tiara? How do you think about your perspective about the people who always go to nongkrong place?
Nongkrong
Are they
place.
wasting time and energy?
I think 50-50.
Same, yeah.
Yeah.
50-50. Why
'cause-
not 49 versus comparison 51 but
'Cause
50-50?
There is a benefit and there is a wasting time.
Oh yeah, yeah. What
Uh,
are they? Uh-huh.
For me, benefit. I can work or work my homework with my friends in
Do
outside.
your homework.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think in wasting time, I can't. If I go to outside, I can wasting my time,
Mhm.
and then.
You know something? Sometime there is a people like a random people go to nongkrong place for battle. You know what I mean battle?
Battle.
Ya, in bahasa something like that. Kadang-kadang ada orang loh yang datang ke tempat nongkrong untuk berkelahi.
Oh.
Battle.
I just know.
You
but
know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Sometimes there is a people like random people just make a promise, make a like plan go to nongkrong place for battle.
It's a
Battle.
freak, I think.
Fight.
Ah.
Yeah.
So it's kind
Camps.
No, games like a
Fight Club.
serious. Yeah.
Seriously?
It's like a seriously yang like their communication is very bad and very contradiction
yeah.
and they fight and they like janji meet up and go to nongkrong and
So-
fight.
So they make appointment.
This is a Lanka case. It's like no. It's very seldom, but there is people like that. Okay, continue your statement. This is just insight, just another another information. What about you? 50-50. Why
Yes.
50-50?
There is benefit. There is
Mm.
was.
You do your homework, right?
Yeah,
That is a benefit.
always.
What about the wasting and time and energy? Which one is the sample?
I think wasting time.
Just like how to say, play game.
Yeah.
To
If
nongkrong?
if I get tired,
Mhm.
I can open my phone and making a TikTok,
Mhm.
making a video or
Mhm.
play games,
Mhm.
Roblox. You know Roblox.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
And
Z,
we are playing
yeah.
game together.
Mhm.
To get distracted.
Mhm.
And I already lost my time
Oh
1
my
hours later also.
Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, because a lot of distraction, right, on
Yeah,
the cell phone,
right.
on the smartphone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, keep your statement. I will let you to recall the data as much possible you can. Yes, yeah, also. Okay, I move to Adi. What about
Yes.
you, Adi? How do you think about the people who always spend their time in nongkrong place?
For my perspective,
Mm-hmm.
I think there will be beneficial
Mhm.
of the if they go there. It depend on their goal or what they're gonna do there, and
Mhm.
actually it's depend how often they go there. I
Mhm.
mean, if you just gonna go sit there and hang out with your friends,
Mhm.
maybe at home or at work, you maybe have some kind of burnout.
Okay.
So you need to go to the cafe to hang out
Mhm.
with your friends. I think that's not wasting time and energy, but that is more kind of relaxation for you.
Mhm.
But if you like do this like almost every day, how often you go there, it's gonna be like
Mhm.
wasting time and energy and also money.
do the do the same thing.
Yes, you
Do the same thing,
every
but
day.
there is no goals. There is no
Yes.
plan.
Yes,
Absolutely.
absolutely.
Spending time, energy, yeah, wasting, yeah.
Wasting.
Yeah.
Money is important in this economy.
Yeah.
Like I said before, it's depend on what their goal or what they're
Mhm.
gonna do there. I mean, there's been a lot of people do some kind of a freelance.
Mhm.
They do work from cafe, not from home anymore. Work from
Mhm.
cafe.
Mhm.
So they're gonna bring their laptop there, use
Mhm.
some Wi-Fi,
Mhm.
and me too. I actually go to the cafe to get some Wi-Fi because there's a bad connection. Yes.
Mm.
And Wi-Fi is free, so there will be you buy a coffee and you can sit there for like 3 or 5 hours.
Mhm. Mhm.
Just a coffee.
Mhm. Okay. What the difference actually? Do you have an insight or maybe another perspective about the two of these words, wasting time and energy? Which one is wasting time? Which one is wasting energy? Do you get my point?
Yes.
Okay.
I get
What
your
about
point.
you? Your opinion? Which one is wasting time? Which one in wasting energy?
I think if that's relate to my life,
Mm-mm.
the part of wasting time is actually when I just sit and playing with my phone, like you were saying before, doom scrolling, like
Mhm.
you're doing scroll on TikTok or some reels on Instagram.
Yeah.
That's really wasting time, but I don't think that really gonna waste my energy because
Mhm.
I just sit there and
Mhm.
do some scrolling. I don't think that you're
Mm.
really wasting my energy.
Mm.
But the part that I really think that really wasting my energy
Mhm.
when I do something like when I have a plan with my
Mhm.
friends or with my community,
Mhm.
and when we do that, but the goal is never reach what we want,
Mhm.
I think that's really wasting energy, not time.
Mhm.
But because we already been do it, but not
Mhm.
reach the goal, I think that's really wasting our energy.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Please repeat. Yeah. Which one is wasting time and which one is wasting energy?
Wasting energy.
Mhm.
It's related to me, cause every day, every time if I feel tired.
Maybe you washing the clothes by using hand, wasting energy.
No.
Okay.
If I feel unwell, if I feel tired,
Mhm.
sometimes I always overthinking.
That is a wasting
Yeah.
energy. Okay.
Yeah.
Overthinking.
Overthinking.
Mhm.
I think is drains my energy
Mhm.
and can't can be can
Mhm.
to be a negative thinking maybe.
Mhm. Negative thinking is wasting energy.
Yeah.
Right? What about wasting time?
Wasting
Which
time.
one? Yeah, which one?
Wasting time
Mhm.
is
Like kau na dede motor and mobile on the street. Yeah.
Oh my God.
How many cars and motor pass
How
in
many
front
red
of
cars?
us?
many
How many
blue
red
cars?
cars?
I
blue
ever do
cars?
this when I was
Oh,
child.
really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Just like
Uh,
deja vu. Okay. Which one is wasting time?
Wasting time.
Or maybe watch
Mm.
TV like 8 hours, 10 hours.
Maybe reading a novel.
Reading
Re-
novel
yeah.
wasting time? Why?
Cause
Romance novel.
yeah, right.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Why? or Chinese drama maybe on the phone.
Right. I
Okay.
already lost my time
Mhm.
2 until 3 hours if I reading a novel.
Okay.
Yeah,
But why you
But-
said that is a spending? Sorry, wasting time.
wasting time. If cause I can't do anything if I reading a
Okay.
novel.
Okay.
You get my point?
You're
Yeah.
focused on the novel.
I just focus on my
Okay.
novel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can do another activities, then actually better
Yeah.
you do another activities, then you focus on novel around or for 3 hours.
Sometimes if I
Okay. Mhm.
reading the novel, I
Mhm.
forgot my homework.
Oh. Oh, that's why.
That's the
yeah,
point.
that's the point.
Yeah.
That's why this is a wasting time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, like like distraction also, right? Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Zia? Which one, spirit? Which one is wasting time? Which one is wasting energy?
All right. Like what I said before, for
Mhm.
me, wasting time is like, yeah, scrolling, for social media for hours.
Mhm.
In my mind, this is my resting.
Mhm.
We think we're resting, but in reality,
Mhm.
we just run out from our responsibility, right?
Mhm.
And from wasting energy,
Mhm.
like what I said before,
Yeah.
it's like overthinking.
Okay.
Yeah, that without an action,
Mhm.
we can,
What about watch drama or go to the mall but there is no plane?
yeah, that's
Yeah.
wasting time also.
Uh
Uh,
huh.
Sometimes we have so much tasks to do, but
Mhm.
yeah,
Mhm.
we just overthinking that something that out of our control.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
all I think.
So this is very relate with your
This
daily,
generation-
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Okay. Thank you. But what is your hobby?
My hobby,
Uh-huh.
I don't think so.
Are you confused with your hobby? Oh my god, how could it be?
My hobby,
Mm-hmm.
I think, I just
Singing, dancing,
no.
Take a nap.
make up.
Yeah, maybe I like makeup
Uh-huh.
and stuff like that.
What
And
about take a nap?
taking up also? Really like that.
Okay.
And sometimes I go out, like beach.
For
Facing to the
chilling, yeah,
sea, yeah.
chilling, yeah. Thank you, Zia.
Thank
Okay, next newcomer.
Yeah.
Please introduce yourself to smart listeners and viewers wherever they are. Yeah. What is your community and how it looks like? What about the agenda? Come on, please.
Okay, hi everyone.
Hi.
My name is Andi Agi Anfani Baskar. You can call me Agi. I'm from BPC, Benteng Panyua English Makassar.
You got a cold?
Ah,
You got a cold?
yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
Benteng
Okay,
Panyua English Makassar. BPC in our activity every Sunday start from 10 p.m. until 2 a.m. And then beside to activity of LSM, we sometimes to visit like broadcaster, orphanage, and then doing activity like volunteer. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, the agenda, the schedule, conduct the meeting
Every Sunday.
every Sunday. Okay, welcome back, Agi.
Yeah,
Why did you late? Okay, our topic is wasting time and energy, right? So I have already asked them, and of course, I would like to ask you, what is your perspective, your opinion about our topic for this evening? Because we always talking about a positive topic. But now it's contradiction. This is the negative topic
Yeah.
because wasting time and energy. How do you feel? How do you think about it?
Okay, my point of view about this topic, wasting time and energy.
Yeah.
I think it is not. It is the negative impact. Why? Sometimes we scrolling in media, social. It's the one of wasting time, right?
Mhm.
And then anything anything conduct your activity is not taking the result and benefit yourself. It is the one of wasting time.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think that's.
Yeah. So how do you think about the people who always visit or go to nongkrong place Are they wasting time energy or?
I think nongkrong place there's the positive side and negative sides. It's
Mhm.
depend on your activity. If you're talking about like deep till your study,
Mhm.
it's benefit. Or if you only to yapping or chip chat, yeah, maybe it's negative side.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I think that's all.
Okay. My next question, because you you come here. Okay, I still have a question for you. Please separate both them by concrete sample. Which one is wasting time? Which one is wasting energy?
Which one?
Yeah.
Activity?
Yeah. Which one is wasting the time? Which one is wasting the energy? Please separate for the concrete.
Separate.
Mm-mm.
Wasting times. For example, like separates pisahkan ya.
Mhm.
Separate. I think.
Bedakan.
Yeah, bedakan.
Which one?
Which one?
By concrete things, concrete one. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't.
Really? Come on, you are smart.
Which one?
Which one? And you know, wasting time and wasting energy, of course, different.
Different, yeah, of course.
Even they similar,
Yeah.
but of course they have a differentiate, right? So which one is wasting time? Which one is wasting energy?
Which one? Something wasting energy, like you're doing activity. I said before.
You,
I
I,
doing activity.
Uh-huh.
It's not benefit like a nongkrong like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
it
it's
is wasting time.
wasting time.
Which one is wasting
energy
energy?
energy times. Like pacaran like that. Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
god!
relationship.
Very.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Oh my
From
God.
my point of view.
Why going steady? Why going steady is wasting energy?
Because when I see my friends, they
Mhm.
always to fight their girlfriends
Uh-huh.
in the campus.
Not you, right?
Not
Oh, there is a contra side and pro side. Oh my
Pro
god.
side.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then they didn't focus their study.
Oh.
They always think their
Oh yeah.
relationship.
Okay, going steady. Yeah, how people agree, how people not angry about it. Yeah, okay. Give a applause for us, guys, to give your booster. Yeah. Still with us here, Smart FM 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia, of course, with English communities. Yeah, English discussion with the topic is wasting time and energy. Yeah, we already separate which one is wasting time, which one is wasting energy. You know, in the world, there is no perfect, there is no absolute. Even the negative has a positive. That's why we call this positive lesson or hikmah. Yeah?
We can learn.
Yeah. For example, like this. Even there is also positive, but we, even the positive, there is a negative. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even the negative, there is a positive.
Positive.
For example, like positive, toxic positivity, right? Negative, but negative, you can take the hikmah, the positive lesson. You know what I mean? Yeah. So there is no absolute. So my question is, what is the hikmah or the positive lesson of wasting time and energy? What can you learn of that? You know what I mean, guys? Zia, you get my point?
Wait. Okay.
Apa sih apa yang bisa dipetik gitu kalau buang-buang waktu dan buang-buang energi gitu? Ya pasti ada manfaatnya dong, nggak mungkin nggak ada. That's why what I say, there is no absolute in the world. Even there is positive, there is a negative element. Even there is a negative, there is also positive. Yeah, something like that. So, who gonna want to? Is this hard? Is this hard? Okay, you, Adi. Okay, Adi,
Adi
ready.
first.
Okay, wasting time energy. What is the positive lesson you can got or get?
I think the positive side of been wasting time and energy,
Mhm.
is that you learn that you wasting time and energy is gonna be like useless and not beneficial to your life.
Mhm.
So you're gonna learn not to do it again.
Oh, like reflection,
Yes, it's kind of a
evaluation.
reflection of ourselves.
Ah,
And that I say
yeah.
before that when I'm like doom scrolling on an Instagram
Mhm,
and
mhm.
on TikTok, I think I need to set up my phone to
Mhm.
like open YouTube or Instagram or TikTok only in like 1 hour a day or like 2 hours a day.
Mm.
That's become a learning path to me. It's a
Mhm.
new thing for me because if I like never like do like doom scrolling or something, I'm never
Mm.
gonna need that kind of time setup to my
Yeah,
phone.
yeah. Experience is best teacher. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Zia? What is the positive lesson you can?
Positive lesson. Maybe that when we realize
Mhm.
we have, same like
Maybe you
Yeah.
more like wise, or maybe you more like discipline, or
Yeah.
maybe, yeah. Come on, explain.
like what I said before. That's
Mhm.
we just run from our responsibility.
Mhm.
That makes our tax is more and more
Mhm.
because we just resting all the time.
Yeah.
And for the benefit, maybe
Don't say benefit.
For
Just
the-
positive lesson.
Just positive.
Oh,
There is
just
no
positive.
benefit.
Oh, alright, alright.
When you're wasting time and energy. Positive lesson.
positive lesson. I think that makes we don't want to do it again.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because that makes a lot tax of.
Oh,
For-
okay. Okay, rugi bandar ya.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Tiara? What is the positive lesson you can get or got?
Positive.
Mhm.
If I do wasting time,
Mhm.
I can realize, and the positive is I can learn to manage my time
Oh yeah.
and to
More discipline ya.
more disciplined,
Uh-huh.
and then I think I can I can change my mindset
Mhm, mhm.
and
Maybe like to be well organized people.
yeah, like this.
Yeah.
And then I can do my goals from my was.
Okay. So which one do you choose? You washing the clothes by hand, or you washing by laundry laundry machine?
I think laundry machine.
Laundry machine. So okay, I get it. I guess it. Okay, what about you, Agi?
Okay.
What is the positive lesson you can get or got?
Okay, the positive lessons, the people that will realize when they getting the negative impact, when they
Mhm.
lose and when they
Get
getting
loose?
kalah, lose,
Get loose?
get loose.
Get loose, Agnes mo. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, get
Continue.
loose, and they will realize at the past time they're wasting time and energy, and
Uh-huh.
after that maybe they more focus, manage their time, and then focus their study, and it is the one of positive, the one of positive focus their study, and then they learn.
Like you say that wake up.
yeah,
Yeah,
wake up,
bangkit ya.
bangkit.
Bangkit to the reality. Because now you realize, oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
because
Okay.
I have the experience maybe
Mhm.
Kak Dias now that when I ambassador of education, yeah,
Uh-huh.
I'm not focusing my material, and then I
Mhm.
only getting the runner up 3. Kak Dias now that Kak Dias present when I
Curhat ya.
yeah, and then I learn my experience, and
Uh-huh.
then 1 month
After that.
after that.
Mm.
I registration, and then ambassador of college 2025,
Mhm.
and then I got it the winner cause
Mhm.
I learned my mistake before.
Applause. Duta Kampus of Sulawesi Selatan winner. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Agi. Yeah. Talking about wasting time energy, for the first time, sometimes we how to say, difficult to separate, but now you can guys separate which one is wasting the time, which one is wasting the energy. Yeah. Actually, why do people wasting time and energy? Are they realize or not? Why do people wasting time energy? Agi, why do people wasting time and energy?
Okay, each people will realize when they wasting time and energy. But yeah, they
So the point is they are not realize.
not realize.
Yeah.
I think they will realize.
Yeah, because will means that
Yeah,
future.
future.
That's why I say so they automatically not realize.
I said before when the people that will realize when they getting the impact.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then so I said will
Mhm.
the will future maybe the people will feeling wasting time and energy.
Mhm.
I think
Yeah, because they are not realize it, right? Okay, catch. Okay, keep your statement. Adi, what about you? Why do people wasting time and energy?
I think they're wasting their time or
Mhm.
energy, or maybe me.
Mm-mm.
I think because they are so comfy on it.
Okay.
Because I don't know, is this like happened to you guys, but it is happened to me when I have a homework.
Mm-hmm.
So when I have a plan, I'm gonna do it like after 8 p.m. or 9 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna sit there and maybe open my laptop and do some homework. And after that, I'm taking a break. 5 minutes. I've been set up on my mind at 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes.
Too
another 5
convenient,
minutes.
yeah?
Yeah, too
Okay,
convenient.
terlalu nyaman?
Yes.
Okay.
I feel so comfy. So when it's already time to go to bed,
Mhm.
I didn't finish my homework. I feel like it's a regret. I'm really wasting an energy and time because I've been stick up onto my phone and not doing like something that I used to be. So I have to be do it.
Okay. So the point is of Adi is lengah. Ya, terlalu nyaman gitu, terbuai ya, terbuai. So, what is your point? Why do people wasting time and energy? Do not realize, lengah. What about you?
The most importantly, I think they forgot about our previous time, like waktu berharga in bahasa.
Okay, okay.
And then in the future, they just realize about it.
Mhm.
And then I think
You know, sometimes people's in outside, they wasting time energy because they are too rich. Yeah, because they are too rich. That's why they wasting time energy, and that's why they call this is my quality time. This is my me time, right?
Yeah.
But they are too rich, not not slow, not poor, but they are too rich. That's why they say this is my me time. Oh my God. Okay, what about you? Continue your statement.
And next, I think some people I think some people realize about they wasting their time, but some can change, and some people still keep and repeat the cycle
Because
it's comfy, maybe.
same, yeah, can be.
I think
Maybe
they-
because they are not, how to say, tidak menghargai ya, tidak menghargai waktu ya. Okay, okay. What about you? What is your point of view? Why do people wasting
I
time
don't know about the
energy?
other people, but in my case,
Oh, okay. Your
In my
case.
case.
Uh-huh.
I was when I go to my home, I always think like I need a rest. I need a rest.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I need to resting my mind and my body.
Maybe because you like self reward.
Something like that.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Yeah, like if you want to have a peaceful mind, I think we need resting. But
Yeah,
sometimes
like slow living,
yeah,
right?
Yeah. But sometimes it's wasting time. Also,
sometimes like quality time, sometimes
Yeah, you know-
like wasting,
yeah,
right?
you know that much is not good, right?
Yeah, yeah. Much is not good. Yeah,
too much
even
is
the
not good.
even the positive, even the negative,
Yeah,
not good,
not good.
right?
Yeah.
If too much.
Yeah, too much.
Okay.
And
Any else, or you keep it your statement?
yeah, I keep it my statement.
Okay. Okay, you keep your statement. Yeah, guys. Before we move to the another question, maybe you can also prepare yourself to give like vocabulary, unfamiliar words, maybe like idioms or wise word. Yeah, something
like a quote.
Yeah. Do you have a code, or maybe you have an idiom or unfamiliar words with our topic?
I think I didn't hear this like before. I've been so many times. There's a quote that say, maybe the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago,
Oh,
but
wow.
the second best time to plant a tree is right now.
Oh, yeah.
So don't waste
Yeah.
your time and take some action.
Oh, wow, so wise. Okay, what about you guys? Do you have a familiar?
I have a cut.
Okay, good.
This from my lecture.
Mhm.
It sounds better late than
Mhm.
never.
Oh, yeah, makes sense.
I
Okay.
really like that cut.
Wow, do you have unfamiliar words like vocabularies maybe, or idioms or wise word?
I have two.
2 words. Two sentence, 2 words
Two sentences.
about quote or idioms.
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 or
Okay.
quotes.
Okay.
And number one is don't believe, don't scare about your life, because there are many people want to be like you.
Oh, yeah. Be yourself.
Yeah, yeah. Be confident.
Back to the topic. Back to the topic. Okay. What about you, Agi? Do you have a like relate word about our topic, or idiom, or quote, or wise word? Free.
Free.
Yeah. Free. Bebas. Which one?
Maybe for me, just only do the best for your life, and everything. Don't afraid whatever your activity is not only benefit in yourself. Yeah, just doing, guys.
Okay. Last is what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening? Conclusion, yes.
Okay, the conclusion for our topic today about wasting time and energy. For me, wasting time and energy, the negative impact for ourselves. But guys, for the as a teenager, maybe please realize yourself, focus yourself, and then each people that will realize when they falling loose, and something like that for me. Thank you very much.
How you like that? Thank you, Agi. Okay, what about you, Adi? What is your conclusion
I
about topic?
think My conclusion about our topic is just when you wanna be like so productive, you say like I don't wanna waste my time and energy, so you're gonna be productive, do everything you want, but just remember, sometimes you just need a break.
Okay, sometimes, yeah. What about you? What is your conclusion?
My conclusion about our topic today
Yeah.
is just remind for you guys, you can control your time, but you can't.
You can control your time.
you can control your time,
Huh?
but you can handle how do you eat. Is enough.
It's look like I'm still waiting. What is the continue? Okay, what about you, Sia?
My conclusion here.
Yes.
For me, I think you can hide from work self-reward, right? Yeah, or me time, or something else. Just do your, the something that you have to do. Do not wasting your time and energy.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, giving applause for us, guys. Yes, thank you Zia from PMEC, PMEC. Yeah, thank you Tiara from ECC. Thank you Adi from BMC. Thank you Agi from BPEC. Hope to see you all, guys. Yeah, and see you for the next time. Yes, that's all our conversation, our discussion. Yeah, smart listeners, wherever you are. And our topic for this evening is wasting time and energy. Yeah, don't forget, always listen. Yes, Smart FM 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration, especially our program English Communities every Wednesday at 7 until 8 p.m. of course. And see you for the next week. Bye bye. Good evening. Good night. Bye.